Oh, just get that. Oh, hey YouTube, I didn't see you there. I was too busy being fast with the Rubik's Cube because I'm so good. Hey guys, Matt Guzman here, back with another video, and today I've actually disassembled one of my old Rubik's Cubes. This is the GANS 365. Actually, I forgot the brand of what it was, but I know it's a GANS, and I know that I haven't used it in a while, and I know there was a lot of residue, and it's old. I think I've had this cube for about 2 years, and I never really took care of it very well, but now I'm gonna take care of it. So I've took it completely apart, and I'm gonna clean it, and we're gonna see if it will have better performance. So what would happen before? Just recently, I was trying it out, and it popped so many times, and I just got really tired. So I took all the pieces out, and I tightened these a little bit. Now I'm gonna put the pieces back together after I clean them and see if the performance is any better. So as you can see, we have the middle pieces here, which attach on. I'll attach them on at last. We have the white edges here. We have corner pieces in this area, and the rest of the side pieces in this area, or edge pieces. So middles, white edges, corners, rest of the edges. And this is the main frame itself. I've tried putting this together before, and it takes a long while, and especially because these are springs. So if it turns a little bit, the springs will close like that, and the pieces will fly out, so I have to be really careful, because it's happened before. But for now, I'm going to see if there's any dirt in these, and clean them with these Q-tips. So it looks like there's some dirt in here. Dirt be gone. Woo, yeah, one side done. Let's go. Another side done. Third side done. Alright, I got all the white pieces done for the edges. Now let's move on to the corner pieces. I'm saying this very enthusiastically because I'm insanely bored right now and I really don't want to be doing this, but I have not taken care of this cube in 2 years, so seems like a good time to do it. Almost done with the third piece. Yeah. Yeah, all the white corner pieces done. Now I'm going to do the yellow corner pieces. I wonder if all this black residue is from, like, the black from here. I wonder if after 2 years of use, it actually started to flake off. Maybe that's what the grooves are. Maybe the grooves are from it flaking. No, those grooves are too precise. Never mind. Well, that's probably where the black residue came from. So every time I think of black residue, I think of gunpowder. And then I'm thinking, well, I wonder if I lit a match, if it would explode, or at least burn this cube. Maybe, what if this really was black powder, and someone put the black powder in my cube just to make me clean it? But in actuality, they were just trying to kill me, because as soon as they light the match and put it in here, it's going to explode everywhere, and then the cube's not even going to get clean. This dirt is not coming out. This dirt right here. This is very annoying. I can't even get it out using my nail. What the crap? And that, my friend, is called the scientific method. If you ever need to do a science project, do it on cleaning Rubik's Cube corners. I hypothesize that with enough pressure, the Q-tip will wear out, and then once it have worn out, I do good grammar, it will not work. So Q-tip needed. Man, I am really not focused at the moment. Alright, moving on to the rest of the side pieces. And once I'm done cleaning all these, I will put the cube together. Speaking of Rubik's Cubes, if this is the first time you're seeing my channel, I'm actually very good at solving a Rubik's Cube. So make sure to check those videos out. I actually got a sub 30 recently, so I'll put that video link in the description. Yeah, growing my channel. How is there so much dirt inside the freaking cube? I don't. So much fun.
2 hours later.
This is a good job well done of the residue. Ha! I am quality. Alright, so here's the core of the cube. My plan is to put in these the white edge pieces first and then go on from there. So let's see. I said let's see. Can you please go in? This is gonna be a pain. No! Oh my gosh. Did all these metals just pop? Ugh! What even is this? It's not even a middle. I was so close. I was doing so well. Now I remembered why I never cleaned this. That's why I never cleaned this. So far, so good! Are you kidding me? Oh. Hey, no, do not pop. You do not have the permission to pop. Oh. I did something and now it's not messing up anymore. I'm just gonna put these in. Alright, let's do this. Put this one in there. Alright. I have done it! I've constructed a cube of my liking. Okay. So far, so... Oh, that didn't feel good at all. Do I need to tighten it? I don't have anything. Oh my god, that does not look safe at all. That does not look safe. I'm just not even gonna touch that. Yeah, if I open this, there's like a tool or something, but I don't have a tool or something. I might see if a friend at school has a tool or something, but I don't have this tool or something for this something that needs to be tooled. So I'm just gonna put this inside. So yeah, let's do some practice solves with this thing and see if it's good. Hey guys, wait a second. This looks very familiar. I wonder. Maybe I did a video about this earlier, and maybe you should go check it out. What would be the best decision? Maybe you should continue watching this till the end, and then check out that video. So yeah, I think a good plan would be to finish this video, watch the review on this, watch the video on this cube, trying to get a sub 30, and then watch the video with this where I did make a sub 30. So yeah, let's go test out my GANS. Alright, now inspection time, let's go. Ooh, which way am I gonna turn? Which way am I gonna do it? You don't even know. Ha, okay. Yeah. Okay, alright, we're doing good. Doing great, going great. I really hope this doesn't pop. If this pops, I'm gonna be very mad. Don't pop, please. Oh yeah, look at that, 35 seconds. Let's go. Inspection. Let's do this. Ooh, this does not look like good. I can grammar. Wait, it kind of looks like good. Let's see. It looks like good. It looks like good. Oh, it does not look like good. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. It looks like good now. It's all fine. It's all fine. I didn't mess up. Okay, maybe I did mess up. Oh. Yeah, this is definitely not going to be a good solve. Oh my god, it still feels weird. It feels like it's going to pop. This is going to pop, isn't it? Oh, no, I paused you. That was 37 seconds. I paused you. You didn't pause, but I paused you. Okay, inspection. Let's go. All hyped up. Let's do this. Alright, what seems like the best choice for now? Oh, this is off to a great start. Let's see. Of course, it's not what I know. Good time, nonetheless. I still got 35 seconds. It's very good, considering that I would get like 40-something seconds, so I've got a 10-second difference. I mean, that just made it more confusing. I got 35 seconds. Yeah, let's go. Alright, if you liked my assembly of this cube, please check out the video I did on this cube trying to get a sub 30. And if you enjoyed the video, please like it and turn on notifications. And also look out for the sub 30 that I did on this one and seeing if I can get even more good solves with this cube. And in case you don't know what this cube is, I did a review on it. Check out a link in the description below, GTS2M cube review. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye. I said that really weirdly. I'll see you on the next video, and yeah, bye. That was even more weirder. You know what, I'm just gonna stop talking. Let's stop the recording.